So what is Inventor? Inventor basically is a design software or a package which lets you make each part, and after making each part it lets you assemble those parts in a virtual world or something like that, and after assembling all those parts it's let you document your design. It let you make the drawing sheets so that you can convey the machinist how to make each part. If something is working in a virtual world, it definitely works in a real world, as long as the manufacturing goes as per the drawing sheets or your plans. So how our journey will begin? First of all, we will be making the sketches. We will understand how the sketch is being done. Everything starts from the sketch. This is the basic sketch. From here we will begin each thing. We will understand what is the importance of a constraint sketch and why do we need it. And after constraining our sketches, we will move all the way down as per our requirement. So after making parts, we will be assembling all those parts in an assembly file, and after the assembly we will be making the drawing sheets so that the machinist is conveyed how to make each part, what is the dimension of each part, what is the tolerance. We will also be learning what is the presentation file. It illustrates us how each part goes into the assembly. We will also be learning what is the stress analysis and how we can apply different constraints to our body to do the stress analysis. This is the stress analysis. We will look into the displacements and safety factors and all that stuff. We will be working on different types of projects. This is the crank piston assembly. Then we have the bearing remover assembly, and these are its documents, different parts, standard parts and something like that. We will see how the standard parts are being imported into the Inventor environment so that we don't end up in making each part. Library is very extensive. It has bolts, nuts, valves and all the stuff like that. So let's get started. Thank you.